alongside me, and I hope to get them behind me, actually.
There's quite a lot of friendly banter. I saw you sort of shaking hands and tipping them the wink.
Yeah, they're all good guys. I mean, they're really good guys to race with.
Tune your brain to cope with the different types of car?
You do, but I've been doing it so many years now that it's become autopilot, so really, no, you get into it very quickly.
Okay. The prime position is Flight Lieutenant Duncan Mason. Ladies and gentlemen, the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. There we go, the Langley, who actually survived the war, survived all his flying, and remained with the Royal Air Force, and became a very high-ranking RAF officer, Air Vice Marshal, Air Chief Marshal, I think. So here we go then, left to right, Battle of Britain Memorial Flight. Because we are celebrating tomorrow the lives of many of the pilots during the war, and no lesser personality that really fit to his family. He is the first American to join the RAF flying operationally, and indeed the first American air force to be killed in operation. He landed at Cagmere with an aircraft that was shot up, a wheel-nut landing, came over the hedge, and unfortunately the hurricane being the nature of the build, it was a fireball, and when he was dragged out, the fire was cleared out, he was recovering through. And he's buried in Montrose Diary, sanitation from the way here, and his original episode is over at the RAF Tank Museum. Pretty much Spirit of Aviation Concord pass to do so, because there are some delightful machines over there which will make your hair stand on it. I think the star of the beast must be the Sikorsky F-38 and fitted with the Hurricane inboard, the Lank in the middle of course, and the Spitfire with Tony Parkinson aboard on the starboard wing. Lancaster, of course, designed and conceived by Roy Chadwick of AV Row, and interesting to hear Marcus designed by Sidney Cam, of course, his brainchild, stemming from the glorious range of biplane fighters that he produced, the Furies and so on and so forth. And you can see the lineage actually if you look at the aircraft. There are a couple of, 2 or 3 of his ex-biplanes in the display park I was talking about a moment earlier. These chaps are serving RAF officers. Their day jobs vary, but at weekends they love to fly the older aeroplanes. A very rigorous selection process. The 2 Hurricanes that the BBMF operate, of course this one, 363, was reckoned to be the last of the many, probably one of the last Hurricanes to enter RAF service, and was returned to
under it. Look at this car, you can see the styling, the front styling is very much chaparral of the early days. The rear styling
pulls away some more through the